Hey, for me, you shouldn't have.
For Ripley.
Got that. I'm kidding.
I have a lot of making up to do.
I got that too. So did the old market. Things got pretty feisty earlier.
It was our first fight, and it was my fault.
And is it a working together kind of fight or a new couple finding their groove kind of fight?
Both? I shouldn't be talking to you about this. It's private.
Hey, I got a ringside seat to your relationship. I might have a few observations. Try me.
I was trying to clear the air, and then Ripley was acting like nothing happened, and then I pushed it, and we ended up having the fight that they were trying to avoid.
I've been there. Not everyone wants to dig into the beef right away. Ripley just wasn't ready to have it out at the same time you were.
I didn't realize we were so different.
I thought celebrating difference was your thing. Ripley's whole vibe is be an individual, don't follow the crowd. Wear your nan's overpriced second-hand clothes.
They're sustainable and ethically sourced. I'm just worried that we can't get past this. And Ripley thinks that I don't believe in them, but they're one of the most inspiring people I've ever met.
Then let them know. You had a public fight, so make a public apology. Show them how much you admire them, even if you don't always see eye to eye.
You know, I misjudged you. I thought that you were a commitment phobe who fakes confidence to mask insecurity, but...
Hey, stop with the profiling.
I just didn't think you'd be good at relationship advice.
There's a lot you don't know about me.
It couldn't be any easier. A man on the inside has told us everything. Where the van's going to be, where to intercept it.
What, and you think you can trust him? I mean, he's already thrown his lot under the bus. What's to say he won't do it to us or not?
No chance. I've made him think he's getting a cut of the profits. He's so gullible. Oh, by the way,
We shouldn't have to worry about the police looking for Timmy.
somebody right now is having a very nice holiday using his passport.
Innocent kids, is it? That's who you're going after.
I thought you was having a chat with PC Plaid. Have a little rethink, did you?
You know, putting a man of God in a hospital bed was bad enough. But sending anonymous messages like a coward, threatening DeMarcus.
Sorry, you've lost me. Oh, there goes my filing system.
How dare you drag my son into this to try and shut me down? You've taken it too far.
Oh, I can go a lot further, sunshine. Ask Walter, he's got the bruises to prove it.
Look at you, Warren. You've turned into a cold-hearted monster, and for what? It's all gonna unravel, you know? And when it does, he's gonna cut you loose. You'll be left with nothing. No money, no status, no family.
You just can't act living in my shadow, can you? You know, we are not in that kid's home now. You don't get to push me around, because if you do, I will push back.
How long are you gonna keep pushing on those walls that are closing in?
After Monday, you'll never have to see him again. We should be able to get a couple of million quid off the drugs in that van. And then we're out of here.
Hello. Back from lunch.
Rain on.
Chester's next top models at your service.
What are you doing?
A fashion show.
Now?
No, this is a rehearsal. The main event is going to be epic.
Sustainable fashion is the future. And we want everyone to know that you're the one that's leading the local movement.
It's about time people realise Greta Thunberg is not just a stall. It's an entire ethical ethos.
Plus, it will probably be better for business than paying someone to shop here.
About that, I may have overreacted. My bad.
Hey, it's okay. You didn't want to dig into the beef right away.
Who have you been talking to?
Oh, just a friend that's kind of helped me see things from a different perspective.
Thank you. Rain on me.
What do you think? I mean, am I going to need a red carpet when I get to the hospital?
Is that the wig that Celeste got you? Martine, you look incredible.
Thank you. I should never have laid into her for getting it for me. I mean, you're all watching me going through this, feeling helpless and doing all that you can to make it even slightly bearable. I did it with my mum.
She didn't mean to upset you.
I know it was done with love. But can we talk about this epic playlist you made for me? I know love is all around us, but I didn't take you for a wet, wet, wet kind of guy.
Okay, that is the most tragic name for a band.
Excuse me, but they had the biggest hit of the summer in 1994.
So glad I was born this century.
I'm just so glad I have all of my babies here with me. Just wish Mitchell was here. Anyway, just glad you're all here. Come on.
Me? Yeah, sure. Look, Mum's operation is in a couple of days. I think Celeste's right. This is not the time to put the whole family at risk. Look, Warren is out of control. Even if we do nothing, there's no guarantee he won't still come for us. I might need to deal with him before it's too late.
Hez? Don't be scared, it's only me. You look awful.
Thanks.
Sorry, I didn't mean. I just wanted to see how you were doing.
Don't worry. I can take care of myself. I'm not your problem anymore.
But I want you to be my problem. And I want to be yours if you do.
I don't really know how to take that.
Look, I haven't been fair. I haven't stopped once to think what this has done to you.
Stop. You don't have to do this.
When you apologized, I was so ready to forget everything and start again, but I didn't. I left you hanging on purpose to teach you a lesson, and that was just typical selfish me. And I shouldn't have done that.
And I should have believed you about Timmy.
That freak took advantage of you because you were so kind and so sweet, and you always see the best in everyone. Even me. It's all right. I'm here.
Miss Lomax, sorry to bother you, but we've got an update on Mr. Simmons.
We found him.
His passport was used on a flight to Spain within the last few hours, so we believe he's left the country.
Are you sure? Can you track him down?
I suspect that he's gone into hiding, and if he's got any sense, then he'll stay that way. It's over.
That is such a relief. Thank you.
He can't hurt us anymore.
I will never forgive myself for putting someone else before us. I'm sorry.
Don't blame yourself. Please don't go listening to any gossip. Marnie and my mum chat so much rubbish around their little cauldron. I love you. And I'm going to spend the rest of my life protecting you.
How about you moving back in? Easiest way to keep me safe.
Yes.
And you're sure the information you have is genuine?
100%. They're planning a big job on Monday. Trust me.
We should be able to get a couple of million quid off the drugs in that van.
So come on. Talk me through the plan.
Mr. Westwood, you know that coming forward like this is incredibly dangerous.
Warren and Fergus are risking a lot of people's lives. I can't stand back and let that happen.
All that history between you and Mr. Fox, and now you're suddenly turning on him. How can we trust you?
Me and Fox are done. Look, don't worry about me. Just guarantee my family's safety. I'll tell you everything they got planned.
What's that? I thought you'd be happy I got you two back together.
I called Leela and asked her to come home. Don't say anything.
Why not?
I don't want Perry to think I'm treating her like some helpless victim, but she needs a mum.
What, like when she called Donna Marie behind your back? I mean, you lost it. Accused her of interfering. I'm just saying, let's hope she doesn't think you're doing the same.
A fool for you.